Hello guys, I'm Paris the Options Guy and welcome back to today's video. And if you see markets again, Bank Nifty again consolidating, whereas Nifty not really consolidating, continuing to move up at higher levels slowly but surely, definitely. So what can we do for tomorrow is now going to be simple. Now if you see, pros have again come into a bit of a long position over here. Yesterday they were in 1 lakh short contracts. Now they are in 50,000 long. Basically, if you see, they've bought their feature shorts over here. They've also bought call options and they've shorted put options. So overall a bit of a bullish data from the side of pros. But what can we do for tomorrow is going to be, now if you see the markets, it looks like the markets might take one more resistance from higher levels, come back down and then start to move up on the upside. So what you guys can do tomorrow is going to be very simple. 53,000 to 52,800, right? 52,800 is the best area if the market is taking resistance from 52,800 to 850. From here, if the market is taking resistance and any sort of negative price action that you see in this area, you guys can go ahead and take a short position from here, right? However, if 52,800 is broken, then you guys can go ahead and think about taking a short position near 53,000 to 53,100 area for once, because it looks like market might take resistance for once from higher levels, come back down and then maybe start to move up, right? Same thing with HDFC Bank also. If we see, HDFC Bank is already down so much, so even if it has to recover, it will need to do a sort of a W, or sort of a double bottom pattern or maybe a W shaped recovery, right? So for what can we do for HDFC Bank tomorrow is going to be very simple. For Bank Nifty at higher levels, we'll think about taking a short position. At lower levels, 52,000 again is the level where we will think about taking a long position, 51,900 to 52,000. In this area, we will think about taking a long position, but the major level to watch out for now will be a little bit lower over here. I'll shift this zone, right? And if you see, this is the area that you need to watch out for, 52,300, because Bank Nifty has taken multiple supports from this area. Now this area has become pretty weak over there. So even if we just sustain below 52,300 for the next 10 minutes tomorrow, maybe opening with a gap down also is fine. Or if you open at 52,400, 450, then break this level. If we sustain for 10 minutes below this level, then you guys can think about taking a short position till the target of 52,000 on the downside very easily, right? So that will be the plan for Bank Nifty. At higher levels, we'll think about taking a short position near this area. If we close above 52,800 tomorrow itself, then we will stay bullish in the market, and that is fine. But for once, we will think about taking at least one chance in taking a short position at higher levels. So that is for Bank Nifty. Now talking about Nifty. Nifty, if you see over here, Nifty has already moved up a lot. So the important level to watch out for now will be 24,380. Why do I say 24,380 is because if we go below 24,380 and start making negative price action, this will be sort of a breakout failure. If that happens, Nifty definitely might see a little bit of a sell-off easily till at least this trend line. That will be the first target. But then if we break this trend line also, then we can easily see some sort of a sell-off till 24,000 to 240, 250 on the downside very easily, right? So the major level 24,380, if we start sustaining below it and start making negative price action, you guys can go ahead and take a short position over there. Your first target will straight up be 24,320 on the downside, or you can also keep 310, all these levels basically till this trend line. And then once this trend line is broken, you guys can go ahead and keep your target till this zone over here, or a little bit above the zone, till somewhere near 24,250 on the downside. But keep if you want to take a short position in the market, think about taking the short position in Bank Nifty and not Nifty, because Bank Nifty is much weaker as compared to Nifty, right? For Nifty, if you open with a gap up, let's say somewhere near 24,500, then it is better to take a short position from this level. Why do I say so? Is because 24,500 again, as I've said that, this is a round level and a lot of people will start booking profit over here. So if you open at 24,500, any sort of negative price action that you see in 3-minute chart, 5-minute chart, you guys can go ahead and take a short position again from that level. First target will be 24,430 or 440 on the downside. If this level is then broken, if Nifty does not sustain near today's closing, then you can keep a target of 24,380 also. However, again, same thing as before also. If 24,380 is broken, right? If let's say you do not book your profit, and if you watch the price action over here, that is also fine. If 24,380 is broken, then you can keep much better target, because on the downside, because then you will get a very good fast move on the downside. And same thing for Bank Nifty also. If you open with a gap up, let's say somewhere near 50, 700, 800, all these levels, any sort of negative price action that you see at higher levels, you guys can think of taking a short position for once. It is fine if you hit your stop loss, that is fine. But once we close about 52,800 in Bank Nifty, then we will think about taking a long position for maybe a day or two. But yes, for months we will think about taking a short position at higher levels. So yeah guys, that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you guys tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.